Using backgrounds and themes for boards. Well, why customize your board? Well, customization leads to improved focus. A visually appealing board reduces fatigue and keeps you engaged. It helps you in better organization. Themes can visually separate projects or workflows. And you have team morale. A fun personalized workspace boosts collaboration and creativity. In fact, studies show that visually organized workspaces improve task completion rates by 20%. So, what are the background options that you have in Trello? Solid colors, images, and some premium themes. Now, these options ensure you can tailor your brand to fit your project or mood. We'll look at each of these options in a while. So, let's go to a step by step of changing your background. I'll come back to Trello. So, that's the Trello that I have. Over here, if I click on these three dots that I have here, for that let me move myself here. You see the option to change background. Now when I click on change background, I have multiple options. I can select a photo or I can choose to go with colors, and I also have an option to add something custom. By custom it means something, maybe a branded image of yours or something like that. So for a more professional look, stick to neutral tones. For creative projects, go bold with vibrant backgrounds. Like if you should look at the photos, there are photos from Unsplash. You can write, so professional office, let's say, and you get the office images. So you can choose a wide range of images from here. Then you have the options to choose colors, different colors that you can choose, and then you have the option to add something custom. So that's how you change your background. Themes for multiple boards. Client projects, you can use a blue background for client projects. Environmental campaigns, you can select a green theme for environmental or sustainability campaigns. For brainstorming, you can choose bright creative patterns for brainstorming or marketing boards. Themes make it easier to identify boards at a glance, saving time when switching between projects. So that's basically the importance of choosing a theme. Advanced customization with Trello Premium, you can have exclusive backgrounds, access a library of exclusive high quality backgrounds. You can custom upload, and you can use a dark mode feature to reduce eye strain during late night work sessions. I don't think we have the option to go to the dark mode in our version. Probably the premium version would help here, but yeah. Okay, change background. So yeah, that's this. So how you visuals affect productivity? 15% faster task completion. Teams working on visually appealing board complete tasks 15% faster. 20% improved team morale. Personalization fosters a sense of ownership, boosting engagement by 20%. Using distinct themes helps team members remember project details more effectively. Some small visual changes can have a big impact on your productivity. So, a travel planning board, a mountain background sets the tone for organizing trips. A content calendar board, a clean, solid theme keeps the focus on deadlines and tasks. Whereas a creative team board, a bold pattern adds energy to brainstorming sessions. And these examples show how themes can match the vibe of your project. Some tips for selecting backgrounds and themes: match the project's purpose, use calming tones for personal goals, and bold themes for creative projects. Avoid cluttered patterns, don't use over busy patterns for professional boards that require heavy text or task details. Consider team preferences, choose themes that resonate with everyone working on the board. The right theme can set the mood and make your board much more effective. Okay, so here we are at the end. Key takeaways. Customizing your board isn't just about the looks, it's about creating a workspace that works for you. Background options: Trello offers backgrounds and themes to enhance your boards visually. Customize your boards with colors, images, or premium options for a professional touch. Use themes to organize and distinguish multiple boards in your workspace. And a visually engaging board improves focus, collaboration, and productivity. Thank you. We hope this presentation has inspired you to customize your Trello boards for enhanced productivity and visual appeal. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section, the Facebook or the LinkedIn community or the school community. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.